Welcome, Roy, to another video. It's always a pleasure speaking to you. So in this video, I've got a couple of questions, and the first question is Bulletproof Traders. So the name's out there, the website's out there, the mentorship is out there, the signals are out there. People can actually get into this and make money with you, see everything that you're busy with, get direct mentorship from you, and you're providing so much valuable information to people. And I think it's good to just hear your vision for Bulletproof Traders and where you want to go with Bulletproof Traders and what you're currently busy with.
Oh, wow, that's a heavy one. The vision, right? The vision is to be different, to provide something different. Because I know I've been doing this for 20 years, right? I survived 20 years of trading the Forex market and later down the road transitioned into the cryptocurrency market. Um, but I know how much BS is out there and how many scams and frauds and people just pretending to be something they're not.
Yeah.
So for me, it's about providing that safe haven for people, like a legit professional platform
Yeah.
that people can resort to. I also want to break the old paradigm of the inefficient, to say the least, not to mention deceptive methods and trading tools that are out there on public domain. Because I know they don't work, because I tried them all.
Yeah.
So all those books, all those, all that stuff, that free stuff that's on public domain, if it's the Elliott wave theory or the gun or all those fancy names, I want to break that paradigm. I think what I'm bringing to the table is a paradigm shift. And I'm talking about my trading methodology, the cross price matrix, that led to building my trading system, which is
Yeah.
PROFISION. So yeah, educating people, right? And bringing benefit, adding value. That's the most important thing for me, is adding value to people's lives.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the vision.
I love that. I love that. I think it's special. And I also think the thing that's setting you apart is the fact that you're open with your accounts. And like you said, in today's day and age, with all the scams and things out there, the minority of people actually showcase what they are busy making in the markets. And that's a big decision maker for people to actually find something that's valuable, is can the people back up what they say they can do? And you're open with that. Just give us a little bit more
Right.
information on that openness and how you approach that as well.
Yeah, exactly. You just nailed it. That's the key. I mean, people just make all kinds of statements, but can you back it up, right? I mean, at the end of the day, if you're preaching to the choir,
Yeah.
the least you can do is show that you're doing what you're preaching. I mean, there's no way around it. What I do is I just put everything on the line for everybody to see. I have to take that risk
Yeah.
if I claim to be what I claim to be, if I am what I claim to be, right? So for me, it's first things first. You gotta have that real live trading performance verified by a third party, which is industry standard. Has to be industry standard, right? So that's myfxbook.com.
Yeah.
MyFXbook, that's the industry standard for trading account validation,
Yep.
verification. You got to have that real live, on real time, on public domain. Everybody can see.
Yeah.
You can hide the open trades. That you can do that. I would actually advise to do that. But as far as everything else, all the statistics, all the trading history, all the growth, everything has to be on display.
Yes.
Otherwise, you know what I mean? This is what I'm preaching. So yeah, I believe that's the way to go, and I think that a lot of people that follow all kinds of gurus that cannot provide that real life trading account for everybody to see is a big mistake. And that's also a huge warning flag. Alex, that's the number one warning flag. If you can show me your trading account live,
Yeah.
verified, like
Yeah.
that's a warning flag.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. The proof is in the pudding.
Oh yeah, if they don't have it, I'm sure there is a reason for it. You know what I
Yes.
mean?
100%. Cool stuff, Roy. Thank you so much for this information. I really appreciate it. And we'll kick another video off in the coming weeks. Appreciate your time.
Thank thank you. God
Cheers,
bless.
man.
Take care.
Cheers.